When we started working on the master bedroom design, we wanted to make sure that we use the inspiration boards presented to us by the designer lead of the project. On this board, we saw very neutral colors with very natural materials. We love doing neutral colorways, but we also wanted to bring some dimension to the space. For this, we made sure that we brought some texture all around with pillows for the bed, as well as throws, texture shown on the accent chair in the corner, as well as the dimension and texture shown on the nightstands with this natural wash wood, however with a very interesting and geometrical design that brings dimension to the space. Another element that we wanted to bring into the space was metals. We always have so much fun just mixing different finishes. I don't think we need to just stick to one metal finish. In this case, you can see that we have some brass throughout the space, as well as some black and some distressed metal finish on the nightstands.